How to save screenshot as PDF on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll show you how you can take a screenshot and save it as a PDF on your iPhone. So use this shortcut, that is the volume up and the side button, hold it at the same time and take a screenshot. Now tap on the thumbnail on the bottom left corner and it will open up the screenshot. Now you can edit it however you want, you can crop it, and then you can even use the various pencil tools on the bottom. And once you're done, you just have to tap on done on the top left and you can see the option save to photos and save to file. So you just have to tap on save to files. It will be saved as a PDF. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.